Don't worry, your baby is not an organ snatcher.
Let's employ all the ghee brands as our gynecologists, right? Why do we need gynecologists?
Oh, this question is definitely coming from a dad because this is a very father thing. Hello, my name is Harpriya Bains.
Hi everybody, myself Amma.
Hi guys, I'm Yuvika Abrol.
Hi, I'm Anu Menon, also known as Ayan ki Ma.
My pregnancy was great, but it was also a little weird.
During your pregnancy, everyone tells you what to expect when you're expecting, but no one tells you what you don't expect when you're expecting.
You know those kind of questions that I got asked, and those fun superstitions that I heard.
Anu, you should only look at pictures of good-looking babies. Only then your baby will be good-looking. So let's check out how absurd these questions are.
Apparently, if you eat ghee during labor, your baby will slide out easily.
Oh God. Well, that way, let's employ all the ghee brands as our gynecologists, right? Why do we need gynecologists?
This one I've heard before. Guys, whatever you eat gets digested. It will not drip on the baby's head.
I really wish I had known this, sir. So I would not have broken my husband's hand while I was pushing our baby out.
Mummy sa or theme park we are? Slide down it seems.
Can the baby grab your organs? If so, what happens?
That is some vivid imagination. Ouch.
You've got to be kidneying me. That's all. Nothing more to answer for this.
Oh yes, of course the baby can grab your organs and then it sells them. You know, because the baby knows that living and education is so expensive these days that the parents almost have to sell one kidney to raise them.
Don't worry, your baby is not an organ snatcher. The only thing your baby will snatch will be your sleep, sanity and money when he or she arrives.
How does the baby poop in your belly?
You know, for potty, you have to actually insert a potty seat inside. You didn't do it now. That is why your baby took almost 2 years for toilet training.
Okay, firstly, the baby poops only after childbirth because you should have all the fun, na? But the baby does drink his own pee in the tummy. I tried talking my son out of it, but he was just not willing to change nature.
Marble floor bathroom we have built inside. That's how they go, Ra. What question? They actually pee, but they do not poop till they are born. Okay, yeah.
How does the baby let you know it's hungry?
Okay. 2 kicks, pause, and then 1 kick. They know Morse code.
He has food delivery app installed. He will order, we will deliver.
If the baby is a little hungry, he'll kick once. If the baby is really hungry, he's a football star.
Will the baby feel hot if you eat spicy food?
फिर तो my baby would have felt really cold because I ate a lot of sweets.
Not at all. The Indian summer will be enough to make baby feel hot. No mirchi required.
அவரிங்க நீங்களா இந்த மாதிரி questions-லாம் where you are getting from? I seriously want to know.
They say eating strawberries gives your kid pimples.
What? Really? By that logic, if mommies eat broccoli, then we should be giving birth to tiny hulks, right?
Oh, then what I will do is I will eat of little turmeric and sandalwood paste also, so that inside only it will cure off.
हैं? हैं? ये क्या logic है?
Babies are so high maintenance these days. We have to invest in a skincare routine for them. Oof.
Can the baby understand our conversations?
Hear them? Yes. Understand them? No. Not even if you're carrying Einstein 2.0.
Well, I hope not. Else the baby is going to need therapy even before he's born, after hearing some of the things we've been saying.
Someone's been watching Mahabharat. Hear them? Yes. Understand? Even a 1-year-old wouldn't understand our conversations, right?
If the baby is fully formed at 9 months, why can't I hear it cry?
ये कैसा question है यार?
That's because mothers secretly soundproof their stomachs so that babies don't have to hear stupid questions like this.
Well, you have to snap out of your crying first for you to listen to him.
If you keep asking these kind of questions, no, I will cry.
This is a very father thing. You know, see, honestly, most fathers can't even hear the baby cry even after the baby is born, because you rarely see a father waking up to a crying baby at night to help the mother or pacify the baby.
They say if your partner gains weight, you're having a girl.
Yeah. Looks like wife was pregnant, but husband was having cravings. That's why he put on weight.
I wish this was true. But I gained a son, I gained weight, and I gained a permanent headache.
Apparently, if your belly is bigger, the baby is bigger.
Going by that logic, I should have given birth to a toddler.
Some believe that if your feet are always cold, you're having a boy.
I guess women always have cold feet, no, when it comes to boys. No, but what a hilarious way to explain hormones.
Is that because boys are cool and girls are hot?
Going by this, women living in all cold countries and all, no, they should deliver every year because cold feet will keep happening, no? It will return, no? What logic, Rare?
I have a boy. My feet were never cold. Also, I was in Chennai and there are only 3 seasons there: hot, hotter, hottest.
Honestly, these questions are not wrong as such, just wilder than our morning sickness.
Honestly speaking, there are no stupid questions, so don't feel shy about asking. As mothers, we also learn on the job and we're more than happy to share our wisdom with you.
Having such questions, even though they were outrageous, means you're really into it. And I'm sure all moms appreciate it.
Yeah. Stay curious and happy Mother's Day to one and all.
Cloud9 wishes you a Mother's Day filled with laughter and love.